Okay, so from the video clip, you already probably know where I am. In case you don't, then let me just tell you, we've reached Haridwar after a huge amount of struggle. Okay, so a lot of things happened last evening because I wasn't vlogging because we had a lot of crisis moments, so we were like running around. So after we got back to Chandigarh and went around exploring the place and all of that, I kind of fell sick and had to take medicines and blah blah blah. So that took a while. By the time I was fine, we realized that the bus for which we had booking probably doesn't even exist, and it was like a panic moment for us because it was already 9:30 I think, and the bus was scheduled at 11:30, whereas we were getting vibes that that bus doesn't exist. We were like literally asking around people, and everyone was like, no, that it doesn't happen, like, you know, there's no bus at this time. We went to the bus stand, they also told us the same thing. But then I don't know, like there are two bus stands, one is at sector 17 and one is at sector 43. So everybody said it's going to be like a sector 17 thing where we went, and later 10 o'clock we realized it's supposed to be at sector 43. That also we called up the HRTC people, and a long story. So finally we boarded the bus, which is a little late, and we just reached Haridwar at around 5 o'clock. And yeah, we finally managed to get an accommodation. Okay, I don't want to like criticize, but okay, let's not talk about that. We finally got an accommodation at a decent place near Har Ki Pauri Ghat. Our main intention is to see the evening aarti and do some puja or offering. The road is so screwed up, man. It's all kitchen. Hello, hi.
Hello.
That's Prashant, if you remember from our Varanasi vlog.
Hi.
And obviously Madhu, who's half dead already. So right now we are going to the ghats. We want to see the puja and the aarti and things. It was raining since afternoon I think, and we were all sleeping. Obviously we were so tired after last night's travel and everything. But yeah, so the roads, like the lanes are absolutely screwed up. I think I've put a clip before this. But we're just hoping that there's not really much to do. It's very unlike Varanasi. Like in Varanasi you can literally roam around, see good places and all of that. This is mainly for the puja. And a difference that we were just discussing is that like in Varanasi you would see a lot of crowd from all over the world. Here it is mostly Indians we find, and it's mostly people who are here for serious puja and stuff. I have about a couple of hours, after which we're going to retire for the day, and then tomorrow we push off to another place. So yeah. Look at the crowd. Flowers. Look at the gush of water.
Look at this fruity one.
अच्छा, ये आरती के लिए है ये. My God.
पवित्र पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थां गतो विवाह यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्वया विंत्रसुरे पुण्डरीकाक्षमुनातो गणेश जी का ध्यान करो बहन. चढ़ो तो सिंधु
That's all wet.
श्री गंगा सभा हार्दिक स्वागत करती है। मां गंगा सभी की मनोकामनाओं को पूर्ण करती है। अब आरती से पूर्व मां गंगा का पूजन व अभिषेक प्रारंभ।
Okay, so now we are in a dilemma because we're looking for this food eating place called Chotiwala's, which is supposedly a very old place in Haridwar where people have snacks and all that, and it's very famous. But the problem is there are 10,000 Chotiwalas all around, and we're like running around the guards to find out which is the original one. But all of them say Asli Mashhoor Chotiwala, and we really can't figure out which is the actual one. So that's the dilemma. And yeah, and all of us are like there standing and looking at one Chotiwala and trying to understand if this is the original one. Life first. What do you call it? I forgot what is that term called? First world issues. Third world issues, first world issues. Where, anyways. We were thinking we'll take something like Petha and all,